Okay, so I don't know if I'm going to add this to the other video or not. I'm going to do a couple cold starts here. So we can get to the Hesston that's behind this John Deere. Ugh. Oh, come on. I have to wait for Dad to come over and start this thing. I know this Hesston will go. I'm guaranteed it'll go. I know for a fact it'll go. Come on! Start this 40-20 up. I ain't screwing around with that 7200 when I can just go around. Let it sit here and warm up for a few minutes. So this thing's done. It's just a fuel filter issue. I couldn't believe it. That's all that was wrong with it. But it was fuel related. And like that, it starts. Okay, so I'm gonna spread this. I don't know how sure it's gonna go. But we will soon find out. I'm not loading real heavy because, well, the field's not froze. And I got down to 34 last night or so, and don't want to make a bunch of ruts we have to mess around with back in the spring, or in the spring. Okay, so here's where we left off. So, just gonna, I guess the ground's not too froze, or too soft, I mean, to get more mixed up here. So, I guess we'll just go at it. Yeah. We got to work in the white stuff today. Yeah. Just yuck. Hopefully, snow accumulation is only an inch and it doesn't become 2 or 3. I know what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go put another bucket on real quick so I can get something done, because I ain't getting nothing done with the dirt bucket. Yeah. It's snowing, I gotta go get stuff done, and I ain't getting nowhere done with the dirt bucket, just sitting there spinning and everything. So yeah, you don't get nothing done by going slow, I know that. Production, production, production. Holy friggin' crap, man. Yeah. Holy crap. Gotta turn the wiper up. Man. I can't even tell where I spread the last load hardly. It just friggin' come down in buckets. Daggone. Wow. It's snowing and covering the manure up faster than I can spread it. If it keeps this up, we're going to have to quit. The snow acts like an insulator and make mud. Wow. So that went better than planned. Going to get rid of them 2 buckets and go get a brown bale of straw before I head down to the other barn. Let those cows back in so I'm completely done up here. Go down to the lower barn to get that little bit of manure I piled up yesterday. And then, yeah, we'll get that and get done. Well, it's Ohio. It's allowed to be 50 one day and then 20s and snow the next. Clean the snow off of this so my bucket, or yeah, I think the snow won't hurt that. So that my bucket will lock into that. Ah, darn foot on the pedal. Put that over there. Over here, get my dirt bucket. See. did that backwards. Or did I? Oh, heck with it, we'll just try it. What's the worst that could happen, right? There we go. Love it. You get started at 8 o'clock and you're done by 10:30. Sweet. I'll just dress this up, or actually I'll let the cows in right now. I'm thinking about it, and come back, dress that up. Ooh. You guys just didn't see that on video, did you? Hope you didn't. See Northeast Ohio farmer fall, get hurt, be crippled just like he was last winter. We don't want that. And just like that, the straw is all scattered around and all forked around to the edges, and just to make it look good. So yeah, cows will get it all manured back up again, but free fertilizer. Well, that didn't go too bad. We're done at 11:15. We got to go spread that, and then we ride unhook our spreader right over there beside the water truck and put it away. Well, it's all put away for winter, or put over here in the building, right next to the big loader. 7800, 3010, 7810, the 200, and the two-wheel loaders in here. And you still got room to do stuff. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys.